Welcome to Phyclops. We listen to plants. We have the 21st of November 2024. It's cold. We have between -1 and -3 degrees Celsius out here and up here. And I've just been to my Conifer D recording spot. So the two recorders here, control and plant and environmental recorder. And I've just recovered the data for the past 5 days. Let's see what it looks like. And then there's not much else to say at the moment other than when I first started this recording session, location, better said, when I first started recording at this location nearly 1 month ago, I was already 1 month ago confident that I had set up everything correctly, and then I came back a week after my last recording and had to realize that that wasn't the case, because the forest creatures around here, as it turns out, liked a little bit too much what I had done, what I had put in place here on the conifer, and specifically they very much liked the wax that I had used to seal and to rainproof the electrodes here on the stem and on that piece of wood. And so I came back a week after and found that my electrodes were basically gone. The wax coating had been eaten away, and the wax that had flown, some wax had been flowing down the stem and had solidified there, and all of that was gone too. So I thought, well, what kind of animal could have done this? And I had really no idea, because this is the first time this had happened. This is also the first time that I had used wax for this. And then I went back home and searched around a bit and found out that apparently squirrels everywhere very much like to eat wax from scented candles. And then I remembered when I had melted my wax and applied it to the electrodes for coating, I had melted that wax from some cheap candles I bought, and those must have been scented candles. So long story short, the squirrels were attracted by probably the scent of the wax, because I mean it doesn't have any nutrition value. It's, what is it? Paraffin. It's a long carbon hydrogen molecule that basically you cannot digest. Bees don't digest it, and sort of this synthetic wax that I've used here is also indigestible. So anyway, they must have liked the scent, eaten away the electrodes and all of that. So I had to find an alternative way to isolating my rig from rain and snow, and I resorted to using hot glue, something that I considered in the beginning, but I had sort of not pursued further because I thought it would be too complicated to do this out here, and I prefer the wax because you can peel the wax off easily. You can't do that with hot glue. If you use hot glue on one of these electrodes, it's basically a one-time use, and once you pull out the electrode then you can throw it away because you can't remelt the hot glue properly anyway. So now I'm using hot glue, and I've been using it the past 3 weeks, and all the tests are done and nothing has happened. So the squirrels don't like hot glue, and that's bad for the squirrels, but it's good for me. So let's keep it at that. And since it's getting cold, I will go back down and have something hot to drink. Okay, bye bye.